Plans made it out the gym chat. All right, guys, what's up? Today's video is about how to make plans come out the actual group chat. So what we're gonna do is when you guys come up with a plan to talk about in the group chat, you got to make sure that you follow through. Shout out to my boy Garrett right here. I'm kidding. Sorry. And it's actually crazy. It was actually just a chat between me and him, and then we just invited a bunch of people, and we brought groups together. So combine multiple friend groups, and you'll have a successful life, successful social circle. And yeah, does anybody have anything to add that they want to tell the audience back home?
I love this man, and Garrett's an awesome man too. Thumbs up.
I love when we combine groups. That's the best way to get to know people.
Yeah, it's like in Dragon Ball Z when they Majin thing.
She's a new friend. I like her.
I like her. She's really good at singing. Hey, what's your Jules? How do I find you on
Creator Jules on all streaming platforms? Yeah.
Check her out. She's got pipes.
She's got mad game.
She's got mad pipes, mad game, mad all of it. And
everything.
She's taller than me.
She's so tall, dude.
She's really she's taller than you.
Dude, I know. Bro, she's like my older sister, but she's younger than me.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. Oh, I love that. That's my older brother right there.
I got you.
Shorter than me.
I got you. Garrett, what you got to say, bro?
Put a girl on. Put a girl on? What?
I don't know what that is.
What?
Put a girl on. Put a girl on. Put a girl on. Put a girl on.
Sorry. No knows it. No knows.
Yo, bro, that guy that put a girl on guy's getting free publicity right now. Also, shout out to the One Piece shirt, which I just found out was a One Piece shirt.
Make him watch it, bro.
I will. Yeah. Promiscuous girl, you're easy me. You know what I want, and that's what you need. Promiscuous boy,
let's get to the point, 'cause we're on a roll.
But you can bet before we're through, Mr. I'll make a man out of you.
Yeah.
You there, so walk away from me. I have nothing. Nothing.
Preach.
Nothing.
Preach.
If I don't have you.
I got goosebumps.
Yeah, take him to church. They gonna love you. Yeah.
Taking its toll on me, she said goodbye too many times before. Whoa. And my heart has taken its leave from me. I said goodbye too many times before. Whoa.
Adam Levine, where you at, bro? Adam Levine, my boy's here calling you out right now. What you gonna do about that?
Adam Levine, I'm coming after you.
Bling, blow.
Stacy's mom has got it going.